I have wanted to share this for a while now. As hunters, we run into situations in the field and need to deal with those with the resources we have at hand. When we go hunting, things sometimes happen that we are not prepared for. When moose hunting, because of proximity to water, they sometimes retreat to water when hit. This has happened to me on 2 occasions. The first time I was not prepared, and it was my wife and me, so not enough resources to pull a moose onto dry land, at least not at that time. The second time it happened, I was more prepared. I had taken along 100 feet of static rope with a tensile strength of about 2,500 pounds. The static part is important as it doesn't stretch much. We cut a log to act as a pulley, another to be the lever to turn the log. The beauty of this system is 100 feet of rope will pull a moose over 90 feet. All you lose is the point of anchor and the tying off, in this case, the moose's horn. The process took us 30 minutes from start to finish. Hope you find this helpful when you're in a situation you need it. I am convinced I can do this by myself, although it will obviously take me longer. Enjoy.